Hi guys, this is again Amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another braiding tutorial for you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page. I'll put all the information down in the description box. So if you guys have like any suggestion, any video that you guys want me to do, you guys have anything that you guys want to see on my channel, I would really like to know what do you guys want to see, what are you guys interested in. Please leave it a comment down in the comment box. I would really like to know your opinion and what do you guys want to see more on my channel. So the hair I'm using for this braid, I got it from AliExpress. It's an expression hair. So I use 1.5 packets of hair. It's not really like the long expression, it's more like it's like very short, the short one, not super long. So my hair is already moisturized with my Jamaican mango and lime hair moisturizer, and I also oiled my hair. I'm not going to use any gel just because when I took off this braid I want to able to style my hair again before I wash my hair. I try not to use a lot of gel on my head, just because if you guys have been on YouTube, you guys have seen the ego styling gel crisis that has been going on. Personally, I stopped using it. It's very hard. I stopped using it, and I'm making my own flaxseed gel just because I have asthma and I have some other things going on. I have a really bad allergic problem. I'm allergic to a lot of things, so knowing the kind of ingredients there in the ego styling gel, I just decided to stop using it just because I already have issues with some of those things, and I don't want to like add more problems to the one I already have. So I try to braid it on my natural hair like this. I can't really see the back, but I really like how the overall braid turned out. A friend of mine saw the braid and she was like, "Oh, I'm in love with it. Can you do it on my hair?" So I would really love to do it on her hair so I can see how it turns out on someone's else head, me doing it instead of doing it on my own head, because I can't really see where I'm parting. It's just like you're parting, I'm just parting with a feeling like, okay, I feel it feels like it's the straight line, and that's how I go. And please excuse my crazy face expressions. It's not easy, like my muscles, my hands were getting tired. I wanted to sit down and do this hairstyle, but I thought, you know what, if I sit down to do this hairstyle, it's gonna take forever. But like standing in the bathroom and doing it is more faster for me. It's more faster, and I also have the mirror is exactly when I stand, I can see the mirror. And and whatever mess I made in the bathroom is very easy to clean down sitting down in the living room to do my hair. So I'm just going to braid. I have like, I think totally like 8 braid. That's what I did. 8 braid. I think 4 at the back and 4 at the front. I leave it in for like a week. I have this braid in for a week. At least for a week, it's not bad. It's not that it's a nice protective hairstyle. If I had someone to braid it for me really nice, like the way I would want it, I think I'll leave it more than that. But if you are somebody who can braid and you can part your hair very well at the back, then you can try this yourself, or else it's better to find somebody who can do it for you. At least the person will see the exact straight line, how to part. But if you want to try yourself, it's also a really nice braid, nice protective hairstyle. I think the next time I'm going to do this hairstyle, definitely let someone do it for me, just because so that the line can be exact and straight the way I want it. So you're just going to braid the hair all the way to the side. People have different names to this kind of braid. In my country, we actually call this kind of braid like pass braid. If you're in Sierra Leone, then you know they call it the pass braid, because you braid a little and then you take the expression, you pass it through, and then you braid a little, take the expression and pass it through. I started braiding with my natural hair just because I don't want my edges to root. Just because I don't want my edges to root. I have been so trying not to do like tight braids because I don't want my edges are doing great, and I really want it to be like that. So yeah, that's all. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and let's just continue watching this video. And after I finished braiding the hair, all I did, I just take my leave-in conditioner, the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner mousse. It's a hair mousse. I just put it all over on the hair, and then I tie my head. That way the braid is gonna look very, very neat. When I take it off, it was super cute. It was so nice. So if you don't want to use gel, you can also do that. Like after braiding, take the hair mousse, put it all over in your head, and tie your head so that the hair can lay down very sleek. So I hope you guys like this video. So continue to watch, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. This is your girl Amifullest. Peace out. Bye.